Extreme close-up.
Whoa! Whoa! I assume you're rolling. You know what happens when the hat goes backwards, right?
Ooh, the jump.
When the switch goes on, I feel like another person.
One of the least appreciated movies?
Everything that makes the 80s great for movies, it's got it.
Yeah.
Including
semi-trucks, muscles, saxophone backtracks. Sylvester Stallone. Dude, you know what I'm saying.
I know.
Every 80s movie.
The hat's backwards,
That
which means it's business time. And also during business time, it's flatbread time.
Oh, it is flatbread time.
Yes, we really do love flatbreads around here. They're easy, they're quick, you can throw them down, you can make everybody's personalized, whatever they like. Some with vegetables, some without vegetables. I personally have always had immature palates.
Hated vegetables.
Love vegetables, always.
Eat your vegetables. Eat the food, CJ. Eat the food.
Oh, idiot.
Oh, idiot.
So shall we get to the food?
Yeah.
Let's do it. So what we've got here, guys.
Wait, what are we making?
Are you gonna interrupt me the entire time? Because this is gonna take forever.
Whoa!
Guys, we are going to be doing a Buffalo Ranch chicken flatbread on the Blackstone using what do we call these? Pre-made? Pre-made flatbread.
Yeah.
It's fast, it's awesome. Let's do it!
So come on, everyone, it's today's first show.
Here we go. First, we're gonna start off with our chicken cutlets because they're simple, they cook quickly. It's brilliant. So let's add some seasoning to this real quick, shall we? This thing gets a little aggressive sometimes.
Woo.
Ooh, yikes. I'm going to distribute some of the aggression oil. I'm just making things up, but I can do that.
I don't even understand the words that are coming out of your mouth right now.
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
We're gonna do a little bit of salt.
Lovely.
A little bit of salt.
Side note, while I backseat cook, kosher coarse salt
Stop
is
it.
superior to iodized tiny salt.
Yeah.
And you know this.
I do know this, and I 100% agree.
Whoa, that leaf.
Whoa!
Kind
Kind of scared me, seeing as how you almost died from an ant a minute ago.
It was a big ant. It was a big bee.
It was a big bee?
It was a big bee.
Dang it, you got me on that one.
Leave it in the comments.
Son of a gun. All purpose. Here we go. Gonna throw some of that down.
So good.
Okay, I'm gonna flip both sides. We're gonna cruise through this, man, because we've had some weather today.
Where to now, guy?
Let's go over to the griddle, shall we? Right over to our, whoa. We've had our griddle preheating for, I don't know, 3, 4, 5 minutes on low. I'm gonna bring it up just a hair.
Take it easy here.
Hey, take it easy here. Harry, your hands are freezing.
Harry, your hands are freezing.
Oh wait, I'm gonna, dang it. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of oil to, whoa. That was not elegant. You did that on purpose.
I did.
To make my oil look amateur.
You used all the glue on purpose. I know you don't know that one either.
I don't.
2?
Why are you doing this to me today?
2.
Listen, shut up. No more talking for you. All right, down to Griddletown. And the best part about cutlets, man, is these guys, they cook so fast. So it truly doesn't have that many ingredients. That's what makes it super fun and quick and simple, but we are going to add some people call it purple onion.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
They shouldn't.
Betty has called it purple onion before.
Betty, don't call it a purple onion.
But it's technically a red onion.
Yeah.
But it 100% looks purple.
That looks purple to you?
Well, it certainly doesn't look red.
It does look purple, but it's a red onion.
Yeah, so I really like it thinly sliced because too much onion that's fresh like this can be pretty stout. So check it out. This is kind of the magic maker of this game, right?
Another necessary shortcut unless you're a master baker, which I am not.
I'm definitely not. So how about we go ahead and start throwing this down.
I dig it.
Get it crispy, because I do like a crispy crust, don't you?
Absolutely.
Everybody likes a crispy crust, right?
Of course.
So I'm gonna go ahead, turn on my griddle on the other side. We're gonna go ahead and get those start it up. Yep, I've got them cruising. Gonna set that like on medium. Gonna throw down just a little bit of oil. That was less aggressive as the other times. This is a very well-mannered oil. And let's get that going there. How about we check on our chicken?
Do it.
All right. Oh man.
Looking lovely.
Looking gorgeous. Hey, do your like your New York Jewish
grandma.
Grandma?
Grandpa.
Oh, grandpa.
Hey, look at that over here. Can you guys take a second? That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
It reminds me of Billy Crystal. Hop-a-ding, hop-a-ding, hop-a-ding.
Yes.
Hey, get
Princess
out of here,
Bride.
Rich.
Quit that rhyming. I mean it.
Anybody want a peanut? Yeah!
Should we go ahead and slice these up?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's pull them off.
Do it.
It's gonna freaking do it. Let's go. Let's go. I'm gonna slide my onion out of the way here. I'm actually going to. I said actually.
It's all right. I've got a counter going.
That's the first time. Is it the first time today? All right. Let's slice up this chicken with this razor sharp knife on the cheapest table that Nate could possibly find.
What do you mean?
What do you mean, what do I mean?
Why are you wiggling it?
I'm just moving my hand back and forth. It's terribly cheap, guy. How about you buy a nice table?
Well, you're using a sharp knife. Why don't you just be less...
I'm just proving a point!
Your knife skills don't have much charm.
That's why they don't put you in harm. Not bad, right? That's pretty decent, Andre. Okay, so...
Is that enough for one
That's
pizza?
gonna be enough for one pizza for sure. Oh, speaking of pizza.
Gonna flip.
Shall we?
Flip-a-rooney.
Flips town. Ooh, look
Oh,
at that.
lovely. Hey, scoot it over because there's a sunshine right in the center of it. There. Oh, yeah. Oh, hey. Oh, find it.
Really? Where's it gonna go?
That works.
Is that all right?
No, but you
No.
know.
Let's get our rack ready.
Oh, the rack is awesome.
Have I ever told you you've got a fantastic rack?
Yeah, you have. It's right over here.
Oh, well, that's
Thanks
how
for-
convenient. How convenient. So this is going to be really convenient, important in this game because although we're getting the toast on our bread, we want to elevate it and take it off.
Well, we don't want it to get too toasty.
Because we don't want to burn the pizza.
Yep.
That has happened
Pizza?
before. The flatbread.
Okay.
Flatbread.
Okay.
Okay, let's throw this down. Okay, cool. So,
Pizza, assemble. Flatbread, assembly, go.
this might actually be too much chicken. We'll see.
Never.
Nah.
Great.
Gonna just kind of spread this out. Ooh, that is hot chicken still. You feel that?
I feel it.
You feel it? Can you feel it? Huh? 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 I have exorcised the demons.
This house is clear.
Okay.
Where's that? Are we doing
We're-
buffalo and ranch? Isn't that what
Yes,
you said?
we are. We are.
Oh, yeah.
But first,
Oh.
let's do some onion first.
Okay.
Let's do some of that. Not gonna do too much. Okay. Those are big pieces of onion.
Oh, I think it's fine.
I know.
We're gonna cut it.
Nope. Getting rid of those. Doing a more thin, lovely.
I like it.
Yeah, we're gonna do one more right there. Okay, there we go. Let's do you want your sauce under mozzarella or do you want it on
Under
top?
mozzarella and on top.
This is going to most likely get on the griddle, but that's okay. It wasn't bad. And we did a pre-prep situation with our buffalo sauce. We put it in a squeeze bottle so you get a nice, more elegant squeeze to it.
Yeah. Good.
Okay?
Yeah, I'm gonna say cheese and then more sauce.
Yeah, 100%.
I know you don't like it. Can you do half blue cheese? Because I like blue cheese.
Dude, just because you're my buddy, I'm gonna do that. Since this is my show and I would never eat pizza or a flatbread with blue cheese. Okay. Ugh, this stuff, you guys.
Blue cheese crumbles, man.
It's disgusting. All right, I'm putting your gross, crumbly blue
Lovely.
on the pointy, lame side.
We gonna sauce it again?
Yep.
I want it.
Come on. Here we go.
Oh yeah.
A little bit more ranch.
I like it.
And just like that, we've got it topped. But we're not done.
No.
Let's cover this bad boy, shall we?
Do it.
Here we go. And now, you hang out, you eat chicken, and you hydrate. Here's the hydration.
Here's the hydration.
Mm-hmm. Nate, I'm a simple man with simple tastes. I know.
I'm a maniac.
Maniac on the floor.
Wait, so are we quoting Flashdance or are we quoting
Tommy Boy
quoting Flashdance?
It's officially Tommy Boy quoting Flashdance.
You eat paint chips as a kid?
Why?
Did you eat a lot of paint chips when you were a kid?
Why?
I gotta say,
This does it for you?
this does it for me, bro.
Wow.
Like really, there's what, 1, 2, 3 ingredients and some sauce on here?
Blue cheese on the good side.
Blue cheese on the crappy side. I'm gonna set that aside for you. In fact, I'm gonna go ahead and do it while I can see it.
Thanks,
So do you
buddy.
see this side over here? That looks like it's been sitting out
look at
molding.
Gorgeous, melty blue cheese for the win.
I don't get it. I don't get it. I don't get it. Let me set this
That crunch looks decent. Whoa.
aside.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, buddy.
Man,
Crunch.
that was a really fast, quick. That could be an appetizer or a full-on like weeknight entree.
Yeah. Oh yeah, easily. The thing you got to remember when, oh, speaking of things to remember, there we go. There we go. There you go.
There you go. There you go.
Huh?
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 I know.
I know you know. But still, leave it in the comments.
I know that you think that you
Know that I
said
think
something.
that you know that I. Nobody makes me bleed my own blood.
Nobody makes me bleed my own blood. Nobody!
You had to like quote the quote. Okay.
Okay, let's try this.
I'd like you to cut off a piece of blue cheese for me.
Okay, well, see if it crunches. Oh, somehow it did, even though it's disgusting.
Look at that.
So-
Stunning.
Shall we look at that? Nah, dude.
Hold it still.
Nah, dude.
Not even.
That ain't it.
That is it. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa!
Whoa! That was awesome. All right. Last video I was filming, struggling, because I thought it was my last day on Earth. But if it is your last day, this is a good meal to go out on, right?
Oh,
Grab
it's
yourself
so
a
good.
drink. Grab yourself some flatbread pizza.
That's a good one. That's a good one. Hey, if you guys haven't noticed, this awesome new hat, that's available at blackstoneproducts.com, as well as our new flat top Frank shirts. And you guys can get Todd Tobin t-shirts at Teespring.
Go to teespring.com, search for Blackstone. All of our stuff is there. Specifically, look up my shirts and stickers. You know, that's neither here nor there. Go to blackstoneproducts.com. Look for more recipes like this delicious one. On this show, we cook
And we quote.
and we quote. Cheers, ladies and
Cheers,
gentlemen. Till next time, shalom.
So come on, everyone, it's the